Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be talking about the new Toyota Fortuner. Yes, Toyota has finally launched the new facelifted version of Fortuner in the Thai market, and soon we expect it to be launched in the Indian market as well. So today we'll be talking about what's different in the new facelifted version of the Fortuner. Do watch the entire video for the complete information. You're watching Cars Infinity. Let's begin the video. So Toyota Fortuner has been one of its top selling cars in the segment due to its low maintenance cost, its macho road presence, and also the looks which are loved by people. Now Toyota has launched the facelifted version of the Fortuner. Now what does facelift mean? Facelift basically means that the entire car is going to remain the same other than some changes in its look. For example, changing the design of the headlamp, changing the design of the tail lamp, changing the design of the alloy wheels, changing the front grille. These are some changes that are done in a facelifted version. Now Toyota has launched two models of the Fortuner. One is going to be the Fortuner and the other model is called the Legender Fortuner. Yeah, the Legender Fortuner is going to be the higher trim or the higher variant of the new Fortuner. Now when it comes to the exterior looks of the car, Toyota has provided certain features or certain changes from the existing model of the Fortuner. Now the Fortuner is offered with a bi-beam LED in the front headlamps. Also the design of the rear tail lamps has been completely changed. We also get to see a new grille that is a mesh type grille. Also the design of the alloy wheels has been completely changed. It is offered in 18 inches. Now when it comes to the looks of the new Toyota Fortuner Legender model certainly gets a new front grille that gives it a complete makeover than the Fortuner. Also the headlamps offered in the Legender variant are somewhere more appealing than the Fortuner, and also they are somewhere inspired from the Land Cruiser or the Lexus. The wheels offered in the Toyota Fortuner Legender are going to be 20 inches alloy wheels. When it comes in the interior of the new Toyota Fortuner, there is no major change in the car. You get to see a 8-inch infotainment system that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. When it comes to the looks of the Legender model comes with a 9-inch infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Toyota also offers wireless charging in the Legender model. It also has adaptive cruise control and kick activated boot in the Legender model. Kick activated boot is basically you swipe your leg beneath the boot and the tailgate of the car opens. It's seen previously in the Skoda Kodiaq as well. Toyota offers this T-Connect features in the Toyota Fortuner. That is basically your car is connected to your mobile phone, and you can also access all the information regarding your car simply from your smartphone. You can also trace your car in real time using the T-Connect feature of Toyota. Now let's talk about the engine options that are offered in the Toyota Fortuner. The Toyota Fortuner is going to come with a 2.4 liter diesel engine producing 163 horses and going to return a torque output of 400 Newton meters. The 2.4 liter diesel engine is currently sold in the Innova Krista in the Indian market. The Legender model of the Fortuner is going to be equipped with a 2.8 liter diesel engine which is going to produce 204 horses and returns a torque output of 500 Newton meters. That makes it an impressive and extremely powerful vehicle in the segment. One more important point that I would like to tell you is that the 2.4 liter variant of the Toyota Fortuner is offered in an automatic transmission, also in a manual transmission, but it does not get a 4x4 option. It is only offered in the 4x2 option. If you want a SUV that is 4x4, you certainly need to opt for a Legender model of the Toyota Fortuner. Also, people have been asking me that does the Toyota Fortuner has a sunroof? No, the Toyota Fortuner still does not get a sunroof. So this was it for the Toyota Fortuner. If you like the video, press the thumbs up button. The comment section is entirely yours for any suggestions or comments. Do subscribe to my channel. Keep watching Cars Infinity. Thank you so much.